Adom TV so live on DSTV channel 280 so na Go TV channel 276 and so o share live and so on. Yes to be on Facebook Adom TV and on YouTube so kwa search Adom TV and then make show videos pa Asem di ka ebre enye me ne akwasi insiana se kese ko mo mahene kwabra santene afia makwa tamaklo so me kase no ene the Bokata any online stores abre ne adruye asemwa ne ka emu edru na osi enya obiman di animu na etibika ene fe no asemi dika anapa bi chia emra hye bedwafo nyina megiri se mo ho eye Speaker of Parliament so me chiaw by quickly director sir bibia ya crowd dia famiko Uganda na menhye ya hefo ade bi honom Uganda for timidi bosumi kakra bi entem aya mamre emu edru etia ade efe no LGBTQI+ gay and lesbianism ade apotoka twika se ye fer tumutrumu ene supi na tie mamra Uganda for ahyehye bese edu enkron eko edu dedika osini pa bi e be kire se oye trumutu no straight away yenku no Uganda for emra na abasese no na brada da hall ma ye de equality abeso wa kohye kena ya tiroma kom se nipa bi e be kire se oye trumutu o Uganda yenku no straight away obi bia ono so ye be hu ni se odi trumutu wana mo bia no oko emfinhia aduenu 20 years ena nso oko obi bia beti se wo so nam na abodawro ene momom ye trumutu ne supi no onso yaso bekom 20 years wo ye no so 20 obi bia ono so obetwe nkwada akowura trumutu dwumadiem bia nso no onso 20 years obi bia ono so trimu power adwempo se obetu trumutu wana mo bia no onso 14 years obi bia be chini bia se opese oye alamontuo bia wo trumutu alamontuo bia so no emfinhyedu nipa wode wo dan efiewura ya wode wo dan be ma anse ye fa ye trumutu bia wo Uganda no emfinhyedu akoda bia be chi wo se wo ye trumutu wo Uganda emfinhya miensa ensem tradwumaku ambeje asemu samu boda road ya abo amatrumutu akoso Uganda ye bebo mo ka 1 billion shilling eno achi ye beji mo license be season for enfinhia du Uganda within the shortest possible time omatim ni sama mra we ayadwuma but this I'm from America man pani Barack Hussein Obama maka say so my disappointed Uganda man pani so achem so disappointed pa cry in America ko da che enye ne that part for me call Parliament of Ghana website na menchire ahwefo atiefo ade o share Facebook gabransi na be hwe ade ahonom why hwade of Facebook o Adom TV hwade esie ba me House Select Committee begins public hearings on anti-LGBTQ+ law. Date near 12 November 2021. This is Parliament of Ghana website. Storyway our website bebre Adom online or MyJoy online. But we have decided to use Parliament of Ghana for publication your more a year. 2021. You were 2023. Etinoshi Asem bisa ye bisa e wo TV na sia. Adena Ghana LGBTQ+I. Amamra na koto ba se bi fiem no. I cherish sa. Ade. Everybody. Interest ne die. Aye de bade. Enanyam na me kan say yo. Me tumre no ma chese say enyam na me kan say yo. Question na me bisa no. Enyam akosi say na me bisa say so. Me questions wo ho ya me bisa. But me bisa Speaker of Parliament. Right Honorable Alban Kings for Sumana Bagben. Questions na me bisa ba no. That about standing by the video for me. Oh, bisa committee no committee why? Committee na mo hwe aboa ama se ye be passio se ye passio sa mo ya mabra ho dwan why. Let us quickly me share Speaker of Parliament Enra oni asofo no edi nhye mu o ma hye dwafem no questions na obisa ye hwe bi emra na de emra beto aso.
I was so happy when I read that Pope Francis directed that no Reverend Father should celebrate over a gay or lesbian marriage. And I said, Roma locuta complete, causa finita. Yes, Rome has spoken, and the matter is ended. So please, committee members that will refer the bill to, we want the report. Don't be intimidated by any person. Hallelujah. I made this statement when I was a member of the European Parliament, European ACP Parliament in Brussels. Now we have two of our members who happen to be leading our committee, Constitutional, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs. Okay.
Chami and Nim, Osnana, where you assume. It was a Yamna, this is Speaker of Parliament. And I call it on the committee, say, we need the report. Because Speaker correct who say, I did not ache. Speaker, you are not take committee ni say any who you made no or no kasa crown say I did not ache. Bagana for yen tieni ye. Me mu Ghana mra shebe de fiem enim tia da. Me mu Ghana mra shebe de fiem enim tia da. But I can say, without means of words, I say, this 8th Parliament of Ghana can't be trusted. When money is involved, this 8th Parliament of Ghana can't be trusted when money is involved. One, Mr. Speaker, with all due respect, near Ghana for year training, we say a die on the bill. It shouldn't be a secret balloting. The day you beto LGBTQI plus bill no wabano. And you can say a secret balloting, Mr. Speaker. In fact, maybe today we were challenged with MPs about what a secret. MPs are not in Parliament to represent themselves. Parliament is not for MPs. But yenina 30 million population no enko wonti na yi nipa 275 say omunko tronom emwa Ghana kanko enwe peyo. So if you are in Parliament, you are representing a man for interest. Minim de to so okoya de say secret. Especially about issues that border on Ghana and Puntuo. But you minim de tia e also say about no e secret. If indeed the MPs are not there for their parochial interest, on my behalf. On me MP. On my behalf. Some secret actual wine. Who secret actual wine? Speaker, sad no see a TV HM. Ghana Fontaine Yentiness Yan Shinian for Shibo. And to message your fosso. Near to say LGBTQI plus Biano. Yen secret ballot. I'm telling you, say, Parliament very rejected. I'm telling you, Parliament very rejected. But be a bit near severe kakra the president appending his signature because and he open a dependent on yet. But ye jama ye 8th Parliament here woman. Parliament here woman. Yeah, are losing the value. Parliament of Ghana, 8th Parliament here woman. and losing the value. Ye just say omo enko to LGBTQI+. And what back kwemwa? Ombeji sika. I reject it. Bill no. We want an openness. We want fairness. This is the position of Ghana. Yami adwo chenebeshia.